When you search for portable CD players for your car, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what really sets them apart, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, MEGATEK CP27BR. First up is the MEGATEK CP27BR portable CD player. At just $35.99, it instantly caught my attention with its Bluetooth capabilities and FM transmitter. If you want a versatile option that lets you enjoy CDs and stream music, this is worth a serious look. Plus, the Bluetooth RX-TX feature lets you stream music from your phone or transmit audio to Bluetooth headphones. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're tired of fumbling with wires while driving, the wireless options make life a lot easier. With a 2000 mAh battery, you can expect about 15 hours of use, so it's great for long road trips. Now, some people complained about the Bluetooth not working well with car stereos, which can be frustrating. Here's the thing though, if you plan to use it mainly for headphones or portable speakers, it's still a solid buy. It's compact, lightweight, and has a sleek design that makes it easy to carry around. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly player that can do a bit of everything. Skip this one if you need seamless integration with your car's stereo system. Great value for the money. Now, if the Bluetooth issue bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Jupiter USB CD player. Next, we have the Jupiter USB CD player from POSSPO. Priced at $119.99, it's on the higher end, but it really caught my attention with its plug-and-play functionality. If you want something that seamlessly connects to your car's USB port, this is worth checking out. What's cool about this player is its ability to play both CDs and DVDs without needing a separate decoder. Just plug it into your car's USB port and you're good to go. It's compatible with many car stereos, provided they support WAV files, which makes it versatile for various vehicles. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you have a newer car that lacks a built-in CD player, this option could be a game changer. However, some users noted that it can be tricky to set up with certain car models, especially if your stereo doesn't support WAV. Here's the thing though, if your car is compatible, the sound quality is excellent, and it's perfect for music lovers who want to enjoy their collection on the go. This is perfect for you if you drive a newer car with USB support. Skip this one if your stereo doesn't play WAV files, as it may lead to confusion. Worth the investment if you want reliability. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for portability. Product number 3, Deluxe Products Portable CD Player. Coming in at just $29.19, the Deluxe Products CD Player is a fantastic budget option. I was surprised by how affordable it is and the fact that it comes with earbuds. If you want something simple and effective, this is worth considering. This player plays all standard CDs and has a 60-second anti-skip feature, which means you won't miss a beat even if you're driving on bumpy roads. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for those who want to listen to audiobooks or music on the go. The included AUX cable lets you connect it to your car's stereo too. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking for a no-fuss option, this player has you covered without breaking the bank. However, some reviews mention that it doesn't support MP3 CDs, which can be limiting. But here's the thing, if you mostly listen to regular CDs or audiobooks, this flaw shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, no-frills CD player. Skip this one if you have a collection of MP3 CDs, as you won't be able to use them here. Amazing value for your money. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more tech, the next player might just be what you need. Product number 4, Sonuni Portable CD Player. Next up is the Sonuni Portable CD Player, priced at $39.99. I loved its Bluetooth capabilities and FM transmitter features. If you want a player that can also connect wirelessly, this one is definitely worth a look. This player utilizes Bluetooth 5.3 technology, meaning you can connect wirelessly to Bluetooth headphones or speakers, which is super convenient. Plus, the FM transmitter means you can broadcast your music to your car's stereo without fussing with cables. It also has a long-lasting 2000 mAh battery that lasts up to 9 hours on a single charge. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you want flexibility in how you listen to your music, this player does it all. That said, some users pointed out that the Bluetooth connection can be finicky with multiple devices. Here's the thing though, if you mainly use it with just one or two devices, it won't be a hassle. This is perfect for you if you value versatility and portability. Skip this one if you need a straightforward wired connection. Solid value for the features it offers. Now, if you're interested in a player that focuses on sound quality, the next one could be just what you're looking for. Product number 5, ARAFUNA Portable CD Player. Last but not least is the ARAFUNA Portable CD Player, available for $49.98. I was impressed by its built-in dual stereo speakers and the sleek design. If you want a player that combines sound quality with portability, this is a worthy contender. The ARAFUNA features a rechargeable battery that lasts over 12 hours, so you can enjoy music without constantly recharging. It also has an anti-skip protection feature, making it perfect for car rides. With a backlit display, you can see what you're playing even at night. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you love listening to music while driving or relaxing at home, the sound quality is excellent. However, some users have mentioned that it's not as compact as they'd like. Here's the thing though, if you prioritize sound quality and battery life over size, it's a minor drawback. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality listening experience on the go. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-compact. Great value considering the features. So there you have it. We've covered the MEGATK CP27BR for its versatility, the Jupiter USB for convenience, the deluxe products for budget friendliness, the Sonuni for modern tech, and the ARAFUNA for sound quality. Each has something unique to offer based on your needs. Choose wisely and happy listening.